Lady, I used to be the type to share my lonely nights and wake up in the morning to a woman barely even knew all like that. And then you came along and changed my life. Your love, I realized that I never wanna jeopardize. That's why na 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 na. Alright, this song is a song of Joe. It's called Testify. It's from the album And Then. It's a great song. Alright, so only 4 chords in the song, very easy. But obviously it's not a guitar, it's actually, I think it's some sort of a synth or whatever. It's definitely not a guitar, but anyway. So you start off with a C, but a bar chord. Okay. Only 3 strings. Okay. And then on the 5th fret. Okay. Now, because of the way it's played, it's actually, there's a hammer. Okay, or sorry, but I don't want to do that because it's too exhausting to the hand. But there's one, that's how it sounds. C, played 4 times. D minor 7, played 4 times. Go back to C. Played 4 times. Okay. And then A minor 7 on the 5th fret, played twice. And then E minor 7, open. E minor 7. Yeah. Okay. This is what makes it an E minor 7. Because you add that D in there. And then obviously open in this one. Okay. Or you can play it here as well on the 7th fret. But I don't believe it has this high note here, that's why I'm playing it here. Okay? And that's the whole song. So, just to recap. C, play 4 times. D minor 7, play 4 times. C, play 4 times. A minor 7, play twice. E minor 7, play twice. That's it. So, alright, so if you're gonna testify, that's the song. Enjoy.